Hi and welcome to DoPchoice. Today we want to show you how easily you can mount our RABBIT-EARS system onto the Creamsource Micro. This little powerful light works perfectly with our RABBIT-EARS Mini. Adjust the two adapters on the size of the Micro. And then you can slide it easily into the filter slot. We recommend to use the diffuser of Creamsource. Just lift the RABBIT-EARS and then you can easily slide it in. Be also careful when you hang your light that you secure the RABBIT-EARS with a belt or with a safety cable from falling out. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, just go on our website, DoPchoice.com.